welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to do a bomb wash and go. If you are interested in learning how I achieve this look, keep on watching. As usual, I'll be starting out with towel dried hair, and I'll be using my rice water mixture to deep condition. I'll be applying the rice water onto my scalp with an applicator bottle, and I'll also work it down the length of my hair. And honey, don't forget those edges. And once I finish applying the rice water, I go ahead and massage it into my scalp. In addition to the rice water, I will go ahead and add a deep conditioner mixture onto my hair so that I can keep a good protein moisture balance. And as you can see, the rice water already got my curls popping. All of the products used will be down in the description box. Once you're finished applying the deep conditioner, you want to let it sit for 30 minutes. I am back after the deep conditioning and my hair is super soft and moisturized.
The curls are popping! My curls, auntie. Auntie, look at these curls. Oh yeah. I'ma do a wash and go. I'ma do a wash and go. Cause my curls haven't popped like this in a while, honey. Cause this pops severely.
And as you can see, I'll apply my DIY oil to my scalp and down the length of my hair and ends. I'm going to go ahead and take my DIY flaxseed gel and apply it all over my hair. Then I'll take my Denman brush to detangle, define, and clump my curls. And I always make sure I work in sections so that I can easily distribute the product. Now that I'm finished applying the gel, I'm going to allow my hair to air dry. You can always use your blow dryer if you like. I am back. My curls have dried, and as you can see, they are so beautiful. If I don't say so myself, my curls are juicy, moisturized, and defined. And probably my best wash and go to date. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so that you can be the first to know when I drop a new video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.